Welcome students. Now we can learn about English grammar articles a and the. We can discuss about where we have to use the article and where we have to avoid the article. First, what is meant by definite article? Articles can be in either definite or indefinite. First, definite article is the. It refers to specific thing. For example, the boy is outside. The word the is definite article and it refers to specific thing that the boy is outside. Next, we can learn what is indefinite article. Indefinite article does not refers to a specific thing, but definite article refers to a specific thing. The word a and an are indefinite articles. Rather than referring to a specific thing, they refer to any one of a group of things. For example, I would like to watch a film. We use article a in front of film because it expresses film but it does not give complete detail of which film it is. So it is indefinite English article. So in a simple way to remember, the is definite article and it refers to a specific thing. A and an is indefinite article and it refers to group of things. Now we can learn where to use articles a and the. First, use a before a consonant sound. Article a is used before a noun beginning with a consonant sound. Consonants means letters of English alphabet except A, E, I, O, U, that is vowel. So, example, a drum. Since the word drum D is consonant, we use A in front of it. Another example sentence, I want to buy a camera. We use article a in front of word camera because camera begins with letter C and it is consonants. Now we can see another example. We use a in front of word starting with vowels. For example, we use article a before university because even though letters begins with vowels, it does not have a vowel sound. So therefore we say a university. Next, how to use article and before an vowel sound. We should use an before a noun with a vowel sound. What is vowel? In English letter A, E, I, O, U are vowel. For example, I saw an old car. Here we use an before the word old since it begins with vowel O. So in a simple way, we have to use article and in front of words that begins with vowels A, E, I, O, U. But we have to remember another one thing. Sometimes it begins with consonants but we have to use an. For example, he is an honest man. Here, honest word begins with H, that is consonant, but we use an. Why? Since H is silent here, so we have to use an in front of the word honest. Similarly, we have to use an in front of the word however because H is silent in her. Next, how to use the articles the. We put article the before some proper nouns. The article the is used before the names of oceans, seas, rivers, mountain range, famous building, books and newspaper. Now we can see the example. Pacific Ocean. We use article the in front of the Pacific Ocean. Next, Arabian Sea. We should use article the in front of the Arabian Sea. Next, the Red Fort. We use article the in front of Red Fort. Next, Indian Express, newspaper, so we have to use the article the in front of it. In sentence, the Nile is the longest river in the world. Next, we can see where we have to omit the articles. We have to always remember where we have to omit the articles. First, we have to omit articles for standard place, names, nationalities and language. We do not use articles for standard place, nationality and language. Example, I am going to Spain for my holidays. In front of the country name Spain, we should not use any article. Next example, I speak Spanish and French. Here we should avoid article in front of the language. Next, we have to omit article before the abstract noun. We should avoid articles before the nouns that refer to abstract idea. What is abstract? Abstract nouns are things like ideas, concepts and feelings. So we should avoid articles while referring to abstract ideas. For example, friendship is wonderful. In this sentence, we should not use article because friendship refers in general only. So, friendship is wonderful is enough. And we omit articles. Next, we should omit articles with uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns means it cannot be counted. Example, air, water, etc. Example sentence, she likes music. Here we should avoid articles because it specifies she likes music in general but not specifically. Next example, he drinks a lot of water. Here in this sentence we have avoided articles because it just gives information he drinks water in general. There is no specific reason in it. So in this section we have learned where to use the articles and where to avoid the article. Thank you.